If you want to delete your GoDaddy free website or reset it completely, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to remove your GoDaddy free website from your account safely and quickly. This is a great option if you no longer need the site, want to start fresh, or just want to clean up your hosting dashboard. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step software guides. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and sign in to your GoDaddy account. Make sure you're using the account that has the free website you want to delete. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your GoDaddy dashboard. From there, look for the My Products section. This is where GoDaddy stores your hosting, websites, and other services in one place. Next, under Web Hosting, find the free website you want to remove. You should see a Manage button beside it. Click Manage to open the settings for that specific website. This takes you into the control area where you can make changes to the site and its hosting options. After that, scroll down through the page until you find the Reset Account option. This is the key step that lets you remove or reset the free website data from your account. Click Reset Account and GoDaddy will ask you to confirm your choice. This part is important because resetting can remove the website content and related data, so double check that you're working on the correct site before continuing. Now you'll need to type reset into the confirmation box. GoDaddy uses this as a final safety check to make sure you really want to proceed. Once you enter the word exactly as shown, confirm the action. After that, GoDaddy will begin the reset process for your free website. When the process is complete, your free website will be deleted or reset from your GoDaddy account, depending on how the service is structured on your plan. If your goal was to start over, your website will now be cleared and ready for a fresh setup. If your goal was to fully remove it, this is the step that gets it done. A quick tip here. Before you reset anything, it's always a good idea to back up any text, images, or page content you might want to keep. Once the site is deleted or reset, recovering that content may be difficult or impossible, so take a moment to save anything important first. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete a GoDaddy free website in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.